Hi YouTube, if you want to put the sound of your laptop or computer on, like iTunes for instance, onto a TV, if you want the sound from your computer coming out on, say, your TV, where it was your Nintendo Wii plugged in or something, so you'd have your laptop sound coming out through your TV. Well, is this possible? Of course it's possible. And them lights in the centre aren't there in real life. I just don't get how it's lit up like that in the first place. But of course it's like all other sensors, and it does not have that colour, unless that's the receiving thing. The red and white, so basically a phono cable where you got red and white to go into the SCART or AV or whatever at one end, and you've got the headphone socket type of cable at the other end. This came with this with a little DVD player that I got, and so anyway, this is what you'd do. You'd plug. I'm just doing this so I can see. Plug it into the headphone socket via computer. I'm using Windows Vista, not Mac. Either I'm using iTunes, it's on Windows. Make sure Nintendo is turned on, and I turn the TV around. The red and white in the TV, you'd pull out. Pull the red and white out. Leave the yellow in because that's the screen thing. Just leave them dangling down the back or something. Just going to leave it like that. It's all attached to the one cable and it's coming from the Wii. Now I plug the yellow thing from the phono cable to the yellow. It might make a beep or something, it's not going to blow up on you. And the same with the red. Notice the volume. The volume has gone from the Nintendo Wii. Then let's test it with some audio. Coming up from the TV speakers, which are across there on this one. And this is what it sounds like coming out of just the laptop. See? Different. That's what I was meant to be showing you. Advert full. I just use a random full song. I might upload a few more things about consoles, or maybe another time on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Oh, and at the end, don't forget to plug in your Wii things back in. Red into red, white into white. Just make sure it's in properly. You never know. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.